Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Accord versus VW Arteon. We will dive into their core differences, from initial cost to overall driving experience, helping you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle and needs. The Accord is known for its practicality and value, while the Arteon emphasizes premium styling and a more upscale feel. Let's explore what each vehicle brings to the table. When it comes to performance, the Honda Accord offers two main powertrains: a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with 192 horsepower, or a 2.0-liter hybrid system delivering 204 horsepower. The Volkswagen Arteon, however, comes with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, boasting 300 horsepower. The Accord provides a smooth and quiet ride, while the Arteon, with its adaptive suspension, offers a sportier and more controlled driving experience, often with all-wheel drive available. Inside, the Accord features a streamlined cabin with either a 7-inch or a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Arteon counters with an 8-inch touchscreen, the advanced VW Digital Cockpit Pro, and an available premium Harman Kardon sound system. Both offer comfortable seating for 5. Notably, the Arteon's liftback design provides a generous 27.2 cubic feet of cargo space, significantly more than the Accord's 16.7 cubic feet. In terms of safety, the Honda Accord consistently receives high marks, including a good rating in a recent, more stringent rear seat safety test. The Volkswagen Arteon also performs well, earning a top safety pick award from the IS. Both vehicles offer comprehensive driver assist features. Ultimately, the Accord provides excellent long-term value and reliability, while the Arteon offers a more distinctive, premium experience. Consider your priorities for performance, luxury, and budget. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.